Hello, my name is Amy Sturkey. I am a pediatric physical therapist. I'm here with Nickolas, and Nickolas is the identical twin of Romello that we saw earlier. And Nickolas was born 33 weeks gestational age, 3 pounds, 14 ounces. He had his status post-ventricular septal defect of his heart. He also has pulmonary insufficiency and stenosis. He has attention deficit disorder, learning disabilities, and today we're working on balance. So the activity we're doing is balancing with 1 foot on the ball. Come on over. Give me 10 of those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nickolas, high five. Bam! Other foot, other foot, other foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Give it to me right here. Bam! All right, to make this a little trickier since he rocked that, is this time you're going to tap your foot on there. So let's do this one first. All right, can you tap it? And you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yikes! 7. I think you can make it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes! Other foot, other foot, other foot, other foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Boom! All right, I have over here, just off stage. All right, Nick, you ready?
Yeah.
Can you touch 1 foot on the ball, and then switch to that one? 1. Now go over to here, this one. Oh, no. So put your foot here. Put it on. Now can you put that foot over there?
This foot?
Put this foot over here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Boom! Nickolas, that is rocking. Did you want to do the other foot?
Yeah.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, yikes, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Hey, you get an extra credit. Some kids, I have to stabilize the balls a little bit. For Nickolas, I didn't have to do that at all. It's a really good balance activity. I hope it's helpful for you, and we'll look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye. If you liked this video and would like to be notified by email when the next video comes out, click the subscribe button here and click the golden bell icon and ensure notifications are enabled on your account.